to break down another trade I'm taking today on the day, which was taken in gold in New York AM session, taken on 2 minute inversion fair value gap, and hit my TP in just 5 minutes, 6-7 minutes, I guess. And let me explain you the trade first. So here you can see it was simple textbook setup. We got accumulation, manipulation, distribution, AMD pattern today, pattern or whatever you can say. We tapped into a 15-minute fair value gap, inverse 2-minute fair value gap, but I entered off early. I will explain you the reason in this video. And after that, I taken the trade over here, and here you can see the distribution, and my targets are being for our buy side liquidity. So let me explain you the bias first. Okay, so coming into the day, okay, so what was my bias? So it was really stressful day today. There was a reason because there was unmitigated for fair value gap 2 here, which can be noted day for me, but I set as condition that if price gonna print a fair value gap, bullish fair value gap, then like if price wants to be bullish, it should create a bullish fair value gap. So I waited for it to get tapped, and after that I decided to take a trade. So that was my condition, that if bullish fair value get forms, then I'm going to take trade, because there was unmitigated for its fair value gap 2 at my stops. So after that, finding 15-minute fair value gap, all I waited for is the inversion. So here I waited for the setup, and here I waited for my key level, which is 15-minute fair value gap, to get tapped, and after that getting the hash time frame inversion out of that. And yeah, I got the 2-minute inversion, but I entered early off on the after seeing the 1 minute candles momentum, and which I entered early for the reason of good RR. And here you can see, but I targeted only this much because there was several reasons. Yeah, and I targeted just only this, and there was perfect accumulation here, there was manipulation here, and this was distribution. And another trade was formed in NQ, which I can explain you too today. So here you can see that I was really neutral here at all from the starting of the day. Here you can see that we have just bearish SMT with the NQ and ES2, but all I is done is that waited for this. So I was really neutral that if price respects this one of a value gap, I am going to lean bullish, and if price disrespect this, I am going to take shorts out of it. So there was my conditions for the day. And after at the market open, what price did is that price just came and tapped into this one off value gap and made 30-second inverse out of that, and which you can which I have not taken on the trade because I do not trade futures right now, but I am going to plan on trading on futures too, on funded accounts, futures accounts. And here you can see the 30-second fair inverse fair value gap, and targets being this 4-hour unmitigated fair value gap. Here you can see, just a second, this was the 4-hour unmitigated fair value gap as target. So as simple as that, this was the setups of the day on the New York AM session. I love New York AM session. Here you can see the two trades on gold and NQ. So that's it for today's video. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.